How to change the battery on a Range Rover fob. What you need to do is look for this arrow first, and we need to push this panel this direction. You can do so. Then we can lift it off. That reveals the emergency key. Pull this out, and you can see there's a little slot down here. So put the key in there and prise the unit apart with it very gently. There we go. Panel off. And that reveals a battery, a CR2032. So you can use a small screwdriver or your hand. Just prise it out gently. There you go. Get a new battery. Let's put it underneath this lip. Put the panel back on at the back. There we go. Key back on. Make sure it's this side, no, the bigger side. Slide that back in. And this cover trim, you can see there's little tabs here and here, and they go into here. And just reverse what you did at the beginning. Put it on, and then sideways. Push inside. And you're done.